Does this look familiar? What if replacing your J560 connector was as easy as a twist? Across the industry, fleets face the same frustrations. Damaged J560 connectors are one of the most common and costly issues. One mistake, and you're looking at hours of downtime, expensive service calls, and wasted materials. And sometimes, they just wear out. The result is always the same: downtime and wasted money. Over time, it adds up to thousands of dollars per fleet per year. Catching a problem before a truck ever leaves the yard makes all the difference. It prevents unexpected breakdowns, keeps freight moving, and avoids costly roadside calls. But with traditional connectors, that discovery still means downtime. Taking the truck out of service, waiting on replacement cords, and wasting valuable hours. Even small issues add up fast. Lost time means lost money, and fleets can't afford either.
Yeah, it's Nathan. Yeah, I got a problem. Light cord's not good. I'm not gonna make my on-time shipment. I know you're gonna be mad, but I don't know what else to do. I know!
That's why Peterson created a smarter solution. One designed to keep trucks on schedule and fleets in control of their time and their costs.
How long before you get here? Seriously?
Introducing the Peterson Repairable J560 connector, the first of its kind built with fleets for fleets. A connector that doesn't mean extended downtime when damage happens, but a quick, simple fix. As simple as the turn of a wrist. No tools required, repairable at the connector. No loss of cable length, no large cable disposal. Repairs take less than a minute. Anywhere, anytime. Here's the difference. With traditional connectors, you're removing the entire cord, replacing the full assembly, and losing valuable time.
Well, I tell you what, I got a truck driver that comes in here and he's damaged one of these. It takes plenty of time. I have to take the time to unwrap all this, unhook it from behind the truck. You have to undo all that to get all these down and separate them so that I can either discard one, put a new one on, put them all back together, and hang it back and plug everything back in. And if this truck driver is waiting with a load to go down the road, and time costs you money, and it has to be secure.
What used to take hours now takes seconds. That's less downtime, lower cost, and more trucks on the road longer. And it's environmentally friendly. No more throwing away full assemblies when only the connector is damaged. This connector was engineered with input from fleets and technicians to solve one of the industry's most persistent problems. The result is a smarter, faster, and more cost-effective solution for every operation. For over 80 years, Peterson has led the way in fleet safety and innovation. From pioneering LED lighting to develop advanced lighting system solutions, our products have set industry standards across North America and beyond. And through it all, our goal has remained the same: helping fleets operate safer, longer, and more profitably, while building true partnerships that grow stronger together. The Repairable J560 connector is the next step in that tradition. Built with input from real fleets and technicians, it directly addresses one of the industry's most persistent pain points. When you choose Peterson, you're choosing more than a part. You're choosing decades of innovation, proven reliability, and a partner trusted by fleets of every size to keep trucks moving longer and more efficiently. Stop downtime from damaged J560 connectors. Upgrade to the Peterson Repairable J560 connector and keep your fleet moving. Visit pmlights.com for full specs, to connect with our sales team, or to find your nearest distributor.